4 over 6 times 6 by 6 1 by 6 1. Okay, therefore here 4 times 1 which equals to 4, then 20 divided by 4 which equals to 5. Okay, but this answer is not, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this case, there is one division and one multiplication. As I have told you that division and multiplication has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, we have to divide these numbers first. Okay. Therefore, according to the case AF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, we have to keep the first number and change this division into multiplication and flip the second number. Okay, flip the second number, 6 over 4. Therefore, times 6. Okay, so in this case 20 times 6 over 4. Okay, by 4 1, by 4 5, then 5 times 6 which equals to 13. Okay, then times 6, 13 times 6, 6 times 0 which equals 6 times 0 0, 6 times 3 which equals to 80. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, the final answer or the correct answer of this problem is 118.